Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine building a 10-story apartment building in half the time, or constructing a sturdy bridge that lasts decades without major repairs. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary solution making that possible: Nova Formworks, the game-changing plastic formwork system. Whether you're a builder, a developer, or just curious about the future of construction, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's start with residential construction. Think about building a high-rise apartment. Traditionally, you'd have to build each floor using heavy, time-consuming wooden formwork. With Nova Formworks, you can reuse the same panels floor after floor, like building with giant, durable Legos. This ensures consistent quality and speeds up the entire process. For individual villas, imagine wanting a custom-designed curved wall in your living room. Nova Formworks modular design allows for that without needing specialized carpenters for weeks. For affordable housing, where speed and cost are crucial, imagine building dozens of identical homes quickly and efficiently like a factory assembly line. Plus, because it's recyclable, you're not contributing tons of waste to landfills. It's truly a win-win. Now, commercial projects. Imagine building a massive shopping mall. Traditionally, you'll need huge amounts of plywood, which gets damaged and needs replacing. With Nova Formworks, you use durable plastic panels that can be reused countless times. This saves money on materials and labor. For hotels, think about building rooms with unique layouts. Nova Formworks allows for that flexibility, making it easy to create different room designs. In hospitals, where hygiene is paramount, imagine smooth, waterproof walls that are easy to clean and maintain, preventing the growth of mold and bacteria. And for schools, imagine building classrooms quickly so kids can start learning sooner without delays due to construction. Finally, infrastructure projects. Imagine building a bridge over a river. Traditional formwork can get damaged by water, but Nova Formworks is waterproof and can withstand harsh conditions. This means less maintenance and longer lifespan for the bridge. For metro projects, think about building platforms quickly and accurately. The lightweight panels make it easier for workers to handle, assemble, thus reducing the risk of errors. Imagine building a boundary wall along a highway. Instead of using plywood that rots, you use Nova Formworks, which lasts for years without needing repairs. For drainage projects, think about building canals that prevent flooding. Nova Formworks provides smooth, waterproof surfaces that prevent erosion and leaks. And for smart city projects, imagine building sustainable infrastructure that reduces waste and saves resources, contributing to a greener future. So, to sum it up, Nova Formworks is like the Swiss Army knife of construction, offering versatile solutions for all kinds of projects. It's faster, cheaper, more durable, and more sustainable than traditional methods. If you're looking to build smarter, build faster, and build better, consider a Nova Formworks. For more information, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more excitement content. See you next time.